Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Everyday channel, and today I'm reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44 millimeters, and the dial color is black, green, silver. Dial shape is round, and the strip color black, green, silver. Size is large one. Touchscreen is there. Interchangeable strap. Water resistant is there. Water resistant depth is 580 m. Dial material is aluminium, ideal for unisex. And I want to say one thing is that it was released 11th August 2021, and when you talk about the dimensions, width is 44.4, height is 43.3, thickness is 9.8, and all of millimeters, and weight is 30.3 grams. And when you talk about the details of the product, the sensors, Samsung bioactive sensors, optical heart rate plus electrical heart, bioelectrical impedance analysis, axiometer, barometer, gyroscope sensor, geomagnet sensor, light sensor, and compatible device is Android only, no iOS. Notification is there, rechargeable battery is also there. When you talk about the connectivity, it is having the Bluetooth version 5.0, Wi-Fi is there, GPS is there, other connectivity features are there, which is called NFC, GPS, and GLONASS. And when we talk about the platform and the storage features, the operating system of the OS is One UI Watch 3. Compatible operating system is Android, as I told before. And number of cores, dual core. RAM is 1.5 GB. Processor name is Exynos W920. Processor speed is 1.18 GHz. Internal memory 16 GB. And when you talk about the camera and the display features, display resolution is 450 by 450. So 1:1 ratio. Display size is 44 millimeters, as I told. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44 millimeters. And display type is AMOLED, and scratch resistant is there, which is Gorilla Glass DX. And when you talk about fitness and watch functions, step count is there, calorie count is there, heart rate monitor is there, compass is there, calendar is there, alarm clock is there, date and time is display is there, language is English, number of buttons is 2. Other watch functions are heart rate, blood oxygen, SpO2. And the last and the final is the audio and the video features. The speaker is there, and that's all with the review. And I want to say that a news from Samsung about these watches. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic were launched at the Galaxy Unpacked event on Wednesday, August 11. Both new smartwatches run on the Google's new Wear OS along with the Samsung's latest One UI watch on top. So I want to say that Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic review will be coming after this video soon. And that's all with the review. If you want more videos like this, reviews like this of tablets, laptops, smartphones, smartwatches, and more, please subscribe. And that's all. And I will see you next video. Bye.